Hello, and welcome to our channel where we share tips and tricks for healthy life. In today's video, we are going to discuss amazing benefits of lemon water. Lemon water is a drink that's been cherished for centuries for its refreshing taste and numerous health benefits. It's incredibly easy to make just a splash of lemon juice and water, but don't let its simplicity fool you. Packed with essential vitamins, antioxidants, and nutrients, lemon water can work wonders for your body in ways you might not expect. Whether you're looking to boost your immune system, improve your digestion, or support heart health, this simple beverage can be your ally. In today's video, we're not only going to tell you the health benefits of lemon water, but also explain the science behind them and show you why it's worth making this drink a part of your daily routine. So let's explore how this tangy drink can transform your health. Boosts immune system. Lemon water is rich in vitamin C, which plays a vital role in strengthening your immune system. This powerful antioxidant helps stimulate the production of white blood cells, which are the body's primary defense against infection. The citric acid found in lemons also has antibacterial and antiviral properties, adding an extra layer of protection against common illnesses. Regular consumption of lemon water helps ensure that your body is better equipped to fight off colds, flu, and other infections. Additionally, lemon water can help reduce inflammation in the body, which is often linked to compromised immunity. So drinking lemon water not only strengthens your immune system, but also keeps your body in a state of defense. Promotes kidney health. Lemon water is an excellent way to promote kidney health naturally. The citric acid in lemons helps to increase the acidity of urine, which in turn may help dissolve small kidney stones before they grow large enough to cause problems. It also promotes increased urine output, helping to flush out toxins and prevent the buildup of harmful substances in the kidneys. Drinking lemon water regularly can reduce your risk of developing kidney stones by preventing calcium from crystallizing and forming stones in the first place. Moreover, lemon water's hydrating properties help ensure that your kidneys function efficiently, filtering out toxins and maintaining a healthy balance of fluids in your body. Supports liver function. Your liver is responsible for detoxifying the body, processing nutrients, and breaking down toxins. Lemon water can enhance its detoxifying abilities by stimulating the production of bile, which aids in the digestion of fats. The vitamin C and antioxidants in lemons also protect liver cells from oxidative damage, which can impair liver function over time. By drinking lemon water daily, you can support your liver in filtering out harmful substances more effectively. This helps the body stay clean and energized. In addition, the high pH of lemon water helps balance the body's acidity levels, preventing the liver from becoming overburdened by toxins. Improves cognitive function. Lemon water can have a surprising effect on your brain health. The vitamin C in lemons is crucial for the production of neurotransmitters that are responsible for memory, mood, and cognitive function. By reducing oxidative stress, lemon water helps protect brain cells from damage that could contribute to cognitive decline and conditions like Alzheimer's. Lemon water's high antioxidant content also supports circulation, which improves blood flow to the brain. This can enhance mental clarity, improve focus, and increase your ability to concentrate. So if you're looking to boost brain function naturally, lemon water could be a simple and effective addition to your daily routine. Balances hormones. Lemon water has a positive effect on hormone regulation. The vitamin C in lemons helps to regulate the production of cortisol, the body's stress hormone. This can help reduce feelings of anxiety and improve mood. Additionally, lemon water's detoxifying properties support the adrenal glands, which are responsible for producing hormones that control stress levels, energy, and mood. By reducing inflammation and helping balance blood sugar, lemon water can prevent hormonal imbalances that lead to issues like fatigue, irritability, and weight gain. Regularly drinking lemon water can contribute to better hormonal health, helping you feel more balanced and energized. Enhances respiratory health. Lemon water is not just refreshing, it can also improve your respiratory health. The vitamin C content helps clear out mucus and phlegm from the airways, making it easier to breathe and reducing congestion. Lemon water's natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties can help soothe sore throats, fight off bacterial infections, and alleviate symptoms of respiratory conditions like asthma, bronchitis, and the common cold. By supporting the respiratory system, lemon water can improve lung function, reduce irritation, and even help with sinus issues. Drinking it regularly can be an easy way to support better breathing and respiratory comfort. Reduces joint pain. Lemon water can be a natural way to help reduce joint pain, especially if it's caused by inflammation. The high vitamin C content in lemons promotes collagen production, which is vital for the health of your cartilage and connective tissue. Collagen helps to keep your joints lubricated, reducing friction and the likelihood of pain. Additionally, the anti-inflammatory compounds in lemon water can help reduce swelling and discomfort in the joints, which can be beneficial for people suffering from arthritis or general joint stiffness. By drinking lemon water regularly, you may notice improved joint mobility and reduced pain over time. Prevent cancer. Lemon water contains flavonoids and antioxidants, which may help in the fight against cancer. These compounds are known to neutralize free radicals in the body, harmful molecules that can cause cellular damage and are linked to cancer development. While lemon water alone isn't a cure for cancer, it can be part of a broader preventative approach. The vitamin C in lemons also helps repair damaged DNA and protect healthy cells from mutation. By incorporating lemon water into your diet, you're giving your body a natural defense against cancer-causing agents, while also supporting your overall cellular health. Helps digestion. Lemon water is a great way to support healthy digestion. The acidity in lemon water mimics your stomach's natural digestive juices, helping to break down food more effectively. This can relieve issues like indigestion, bloating, and heartburn. Lemon water also stimulates the production of bile in the liver, which aids in the digestion of fats. It promotes smoother and more efficient digestion by encouraging the smooth flow of food and waste through the digestive system. Moreover, lemon water can help regulate bowel movements, preventing constipation and promoting gut health. So, if you struggle with digestive issues, a glass of lemon water could be an easy and natural remedy. Supports heart health. The combination of antioxidants, vitamin C, and potassium in lemon water makes it great for heart health. Vitamin C helps protect blood vessels from oxidative stress, while the potassium helps regulate blood pressure by balancing the effects of sodium in the body. The flavonoids found in lemons also have anti-inflammatory properties, which help reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases by improving circulation and reducing plaque buildup in the arteries. Drinking lemon water regularly can be an excellent way to support a healthy heart, keep your blood pressure in check, and promote overall cardiovascular well-being. Blood sugar control. Lemon water can help control blood sugar levels naturally. The polyphenol in lemon have been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, which can help regulate blood sugar levels and prevent spikes after meals. Drinking lemon water may also help reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes by promoting better glucose metabolism. Additionally, the high fiber content in lemons, particularly the pectin, can slow the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, helping to maintain stable blood sugar levels throughout the day. So, if you're looking to improve your blood sugar control, adding lemon water to your routine might be a small but effective step. Supports weight loss efforts. Lemon water can play a supportive role in your weight loss journey. The pectin fiber in lemons helps curb your appetite by making you feel fuller for longer, which can reduce overeating. Lemon water is also an excellent way to stay hydrated, and proper hydration is crucial for maintaining a healthy metabolism. The citric acid in lemon can help boost your body's metabolic rate, promoting fat burning and weight loss. Additionally, drinking lemon water instead of sugary beverages can help you cut down on calories, making it easier to achieve and maintain your weight loss goals. Lemon water is more than just a refreshing drink. It's a powerhouse of health benefits that can support nearly every system in your body. From boosting your immune system to improving heart health, digestion, and even cognitive function, lemon water offers a simple and natural way to improve your overall well-being. It's a drink that's easy to make, low cost, and packed with nutrients that can have a profound impact on your health. But remember, while lemon water can be beneficial, it's important to understand that it should be part of a balanced lifestyle. A healthy diet, regular exercise, and proper rest are key components to maintaining good health. Before making any major changes to your diet, it's always a good idea to check with your healthcare provider, especially if you have any existing health conditions or are on medication. They can guide you on how best to incorporate lemon water into your routine to suit your personal needs. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notifications for more health tips and wellness advices. Take a moment to drink in all the health benefits of lemon water and feel good about the steps you're taking to improve your health, one sip at a time. Stay healthy and hydrated. See you in the next video.